All right, we're back on the record in the 53rd Circuit Court for the County of Presque Isle. We have next up from page 5, People of the State of Michigan versus Mitchell Lewis Rote. It's two file numbers 99-91735 FH and 99-91737 FH. We have Mr. Rote present in the courtroom today representing himself. And we have the prosecuting attorney, Mr. Radziban, in the courtroom today. And Mr. Rote, we're providing public access not only in the courtroom, but also online these days. And this is your petition or application to set aside a couple felony convictions from 20 years ago. I see that when you filed the application, you said that you were sending copies of it to the Attorney General's office and the Michigan State Police. Is that correct? Did you do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The reason why you have to do that is then the state police send back to us a certified record of, you know, what they think your record of offenses are, so that we can double check that you are in fact eligible. And the Attorney General sends a letter with their position of whether you're eligible or not. And I'm required to receive that information before I can act on your application. So I don't see that we've received a copy of those. Have you received a copy of anything from them?
I have not.
Mr. Radziban is the prosecutor?
No, this is not, Judge.
Okay. I mean, given the changes in the law, it appears that you may well be eligible, and these were a long time ago. So, I don't know exactly what the outcome would be, but I think we have to wait until we get that information. So I can adjourn this until until our next docket is September 13th. So we could schedule this for September 13th at 11:15 in the morning.
Okay.
And then what you might want to do is check with the clerk's office and see if they've got contact information for those departments, so you can follow through and say, did they receive your mailing?
Right.
And what's the status of it? Typically, we would have it back by now. I think it's been about 6 weeks, maybe not.
I think I know in the Attorney General's office, they were still working reduced staff and I think working from home even into the summer. So
Okay.
they may have slowed up their handling of it.
Okay. All right, so Mr. Rote, that's what we'll do. We'll continue this then to September 13th at 11:15 a.m. Hopefully we'll receive something back from the state police, the Attorney General's office. You're free to double check with them if you want. By law, I can't proceed until I find out from them, where they're at on it, and then we can review your petition. Okay. Do you have any questions about that, sir?
No, I guess not.
Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience for you today.
No, that's all right. I'll do my best to try and follow up.
Okay. Okay. We'll see you then September 13th.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a good day, sir.
You too.
Then I think all I have left this morning here is a civil matter at 11:30. Recess till 11:30.
We'll go try to figure out what's going on. I got